Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So this channel, Everyday Data Science, is all about trying to learn the different concepts involved in data science by practicing a lot of questions. In this video, I'm going to solve this question on LeetCode regarding nth highest salary and try to walk you through how we can develop solutions to such problems. The difficulty level of this question is medium, and this question has been asked in Amazon as well as Bloomberg interviews over the last 6 months. Okay, let's jump right in. We are given a table called employee with two different columns, ID and salary, ID being the primary key for this table. Each row of this table contains information about the salary of an employee. Okay, we are asked to write a SQL query to report the nth highest salary from the employee table. If there is no nth highest salary, the query should report null. Okay, so let's go through this example. So here, if we have three different salaries, right? 100, 200, 300 units and n equal to 2. Basically, we need to get the second highest salary, right? So what is the second highest salary out of this? So highest is 300, then second highest is 200 and third highest is 100, right? So this should be the output, right? And that is what we do. So basically, to do this, what we need to do is simply we need to order this by salary in decreasing manner, right? And then based on that, whatever we want, so second highest, third highest, fourth highest and whatnot, we are going to get that output. Okay, so here this function or this thing is already included here. So basically what it is doing is it is creating a function called get nth highest salary, which is taking a value or an argument n, which is of integer type, and it returns an integer as well. And when you create a function in MySQL, right, so you need to write whatever your code is between begin and end, right? And this is what this entire thing, so whatever you write here, this is going to be the returned value of this function, right? So whenever you are calling this, let's say get nth highest salary comma 2, right, so it is going to give the second highest salary. If you call it with get nth highest salary 3, so it is going to give the third highest salary, and so on. So don't get feared by this, like what is this and all that. So like this is already there. All you have to do is just think of the basic logic that will solve this question and write that thing here, right? Write my MySQL query statement below. So the first thing that we need to do is order the salary in decreasing manner, right? So let's start it. So from this table called employee, right, what you need to do is return both the columns, right? But you need to order by in decreasing manner, and then let's rank it so that this knows that, okay, this is the first highest, this is the second highest, third highest and whatnot, right? So what do we do? There are three different ways of ranking things, right? In SQL: rank, dense rank and row number. The difference between them is like significant. Let me know in the comment section what the difference is, but in this particular case, dense rank is the best option, right? And then over, since we are using a window function, we need to use the over clause, over, and then there is no partition and all in this case. All we need to do is order by salary in decreasing manner. So order by salary in decreasing manner, and let's alias this thing as rank, right? And this entire thing can be stored in a common table expression, right? So basically what this is going to do, it is going to include a third column called rank, order by decreasing manner, and then assign, okay, so this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, right? So let's store this entire thing in a common table expression. So write with CTE as, and this entire thing goes into parentheses, right? Okay. Now from this, so once we have this, what we need to do? So from this common table expression, we need to return like whatever this function is going to supply here, right? So second highest or third highest. So where rank is equal to n, right? So where rank is equal to n, you just return distinct, right? Distinct salary, right? And that is what we need to do. Also, why did I write distinct and not salary? Because again, since from this common table expression, let's say the second highest one had, like, there was two values, right? So row 2 and row 4. So if you don't write distinct, it is going to return two second highest salaries, right? that is 200 twice, but we don't need that, right? If you see here, so that is why we have written distinct salary. Also, the question says that if there is no nth highest salary, so the query should report null. So we can use return distinct, and if this is null, right, so it can be null that, okay, in this table, if you ask what is the fourth highest salary, there is nothing, right? So in that case, you need to return null. So you write if null, and then you write whatever you need to return, and if this comes out to be null, you simply return null, right? So you can do that. Like this will take care of this part of the question. So this looks good. Let me go ahead and run this to see what happens. Okay, so this is accepted. Our output is same as expected output. Let me go ahead and submit it to see if it passes all the test cases. So yep, this passes all the test cases, and this is how we do it. Again, very simple question. All we had to do was, identify, okay, how we are going to rank this using one of the 3 ranking functions available in MySQL. Then we use that to save this in a common table expression. And then since we are creating a function, right, with a argument called n, which is going to accept, right, an integer value, right? So that is why from that common table expression, wherever your rank is equal to whatever the question has been supplied with, right, you keep only those rows and return distinct salaries. And if it is null, so you return this null value in it. So this is how we do it. Let me know if there is a better way or a more efficient way you can think of to solve this question. Let the solution be in the comment section below. And until then, I will see you guys in the next video.